This is Insights for Living. To whom credit is due. That is our topic for today. And our scripture is Esther chapter 5 and verse 11. It says, Then Haman told them of his great riches, the multitude of his children, all the ways in which the king had promoted him, and how he had advanced him above the officials and servants of the king. Haman was a man of honors. King Ahasuerus or Xerxes had promoted him, and all that he had, his position, his power and wealth, was because the king had promoted him. But sadly, along with the increase in his good fortune, came an increase in his arrogance. Instead of giving credit to God, he called all his friends and family together and said, Look what I have earned, what I have gained. Too often, we also do that, isn't it? We forget what we have, who has given it to us. We think that we have earned it, we have made it. But we belong to God, this world belongs to God, and what we have is given by God. So we must use our intelligence, we must never forget to give the credit to God. Sometimes it is simply because God put us in the right place at the right time. So, in view of the success from this perspective, we get an idea, we begin to get an idea that we are on a power beyond ourselves. It is because of the grace and mercy of God. So, you see, success is enjoyable, but you'll enjoy it much more when you give God the credit. All that you have and all that you are a direct result of His blessing. So don't forget to thank Him today. And remember, to sweeten success, just try a little thanksgiving and praise. If you have been blessed by these devotionals, insights, why don't you subscribe to this channel? We'll be glad to hear from you. Until next time, I am Pastor Joseph Shesar, signing off.